Hi, Michael with Autogeek here in our show car garage. Today we have Chris Metcalf, and we're going to go over something that's going to really be changing the game with the PXE-80. Chris, why don't you show us what we have here today?
Yeah, Michael, I mean, this is one of those products that we've already talked a little bit about. We've shown this a few different times, but it's coming together. This is actually a product that will be available on Autogeek's website, and it is the shaft extension for the PXE-80, the PXE. So quick change, I'm gonna take my 3-inch adapter out and boom, I'm gonna put my shaft extension in. This is a 3-foot rotary attachment, and we've got a couple different style cones. I call them, cones. They go right into the unit, they lock into place. And then, you're able to run that, so what's cool is with the PXE is you can more or less adjust the speed by how quick I push that forward, and this is a rotary product. So you do have to be careful, Michael, with this and have control and understand how to polish with rotary, because we don't want to burn through the paint.
Definitely.
Or do anything like that. Just like everything with the PXE, you can roll that switch right up over. On this rotary attachment, I would definitely suggest using it on the lowest speed. I don't think you would ever use it on that high speed in this rotary motion, but it's nice because when it's running, no matter what position you put that in, it never is stalling the unit. It always is making rotation. And that's something that we worked hard on, making sure that shaft wasn't going to bind up when you're working with it. So you're able to be flexible with it. I've seen a couple people that have polished with it. They were putting it around their neck when they were using it, so it didn't touch the car. But even the shaft itself is protected in a rubber coating. So if it does touch the car, it's not going to do damage to the car. On some of these attachments, the rubber or the hexagon attachment, it's actually like a coated plastic, a nylon plastic. So if you do, damage the foam on here and that nylon was to touch the paint, you're gonna be less of a chance if it was metal, to scratch the surface. And like you see here, we have the 3 different, types of foam, from soft to medium to hard. Actually, I have these kind of backwards, but it's all based on how you feel that foam. But you have the 3 different style foams for the 3 different types of finishes that you would need when working with this. It's a great accessory. I know a lot of people may already have the PXE-80 out in the market. So this is something that you can buy separately. You can also visit the website, autogeek.com, and you can buy this as a kit. So if it's the first time owning the PXE, I would probably say go ahead and get the full gamut or the full setup, and buy the extension, buy the PXE-80 kit, so that you have everything that you need when doing that small detailing or that small touch-up on whatever job you're working on.
Now, is this going to be coming in any packaging at all whatsoever, or how is this going to be packaged for our customers?
So, the first package, if you already have, the PXE-80, you basically are going to get the shaft and all of the foam accessories. You get 2 of each style, 2 of each firmness as well on the foam.
Okay.
And then also, like I just said, you're going to get that full pack. You can get the full package. You can get the PXE-80, 2 batteries, a charger, a bag, and get the shaft extension in that package. That's a package that you guys will offer as well.
Okay, awesome. So pretty much for everybody who already owns a PXE, you already pretty much have your bag that's going to house everything. So it's a nice little addition to the bag carrying case that you have with all of your other attachments already. So you already have everything set up, and as everybody knows who owns this machine, there are plenty of pockets inside and out to store everything like pads, the cable itself, and then all of your other attachments and drive units, chargers, batteries, everything that comes with the PXE.
Now, Michael, something that is a little different from what we sell in other parts of the world, like in Germany and Europe and things like that, they do have a plastic case that the unit, this shaft extension comes in. And in the US, because we don't sell those plastic cases, we've decided to just get this in a cardboard case and reduce the price as much as we possibly can for bringing this in. So we wanted to be price sensitive as far as the market goes, so the case won't come with it in the US. But everybody that already has a PXE has this nice bag, and you're able to put this accessory inside there.
Yeah, and I mean, realistically too, if I had this bag and if it did come with the case, I personally would probably just transfer this over to the bag anyways, because it's less things for me to carry. I mean, instead of having to carry 2 bags or 1 bag and 1 case, I can have everything just in this 1 bag right here, pull out everything as it's needed. So I definitely agree with the logic behind it, and definitely think that going with this bag for everything was a good option for us.
Well, Michael, I appreciate coming into the garage today. Thank
Always
you.
a pleasure, Chris. And if anyone's ever interested in getting these products, they are all available on our website at autogeek.com.